Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya Conrad Sangma hakasan regular bear araja arpusan ula Wanrah da Mang Tyngka Kaba ke jing pulut da 10,000 kedai spa nyau pau Klur bannya ke jing yo na bentau Snem araja arpusan araja arpun riu kabalong point kendai riu persen na ke gross state domestic product GSDP. Ulong baka mangjing pulut pisa ka long arpo nyau hajar san spa kendai po nyau Klur Tyngka kat baka mang penmi pisa ka long arpusan hajar riu spa arpo nyau Klur Tyngka. Ula kentu ya bar oki dekat bat ki nong snong ka jela ban ken mau ya kani ka Mang Tyngka ban ken tiu ya ka jela bat ban yo ya ka Meghalaya mission 10 house nam hajar laipo ar.
Sir, for 2025-26 I have estimated the total receipts at 30,415 crores, of which the revenue receipts are estimated at 25,591 crores and capital receipts at 4,824 crores. Excluding borrowings of 4,788 crores, the total receipts are estimated to be 25,627 crores. On the expenditure side, I have estimated the total expenditure at 30,003 crores, of which the revenue expenditure is estimated at 20,556 crores and capital expenditure at 9,447 crores. Excluding repayment of loans of 2,406 crores, the estimated total expenditure is 27,597 crores. Interest payments for 2025-26 are estimated at 1,347 crores and pension payments at 1,824 crores. I am therefore presenting the budget for 2025-26 with a fiscal deficit of 1,970 crores, which is around 2.96% of the GSDP. I am delighted to highlight that the fiscal deficit has been maintained below the permissible limit of 3.5%. Sir, along with the main budget document, I am presenting the climate, youth, gender and SDG budgets. The size of the climate budget for 2025-26 is 5,421 crores, an increase of 20% over 2024-25. Youth budget stands at 3,329 crores, an increase of 16.6%, and gender budget stands at 6,219 crores, an increase of 25%.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, Duna ki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata, habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, page ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Wanrah Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.